Issue is not Satan, guys. For centuries, there has been lots of misconception about issue being Satan. But just yesterday, I was opportune to lay my hands on this particular book that was written by Israel Ayanwuyi, a man that is deeply rooted in the Yoruba culture. The book was published in the United Kingdom, and the cover was designed by me. So he sent down this book as a gift, and I'll be reading it, and I'll be dropping my review on the book. So the book is available globally. So I'll urge you to, get hold of one too. And I'm so sure that it will be a good read. So, Mr. Israel, I know you. Thank you for sending this down. Sí arákùnrin Olúwabùkúnmi Adéwuyì ẹ̀bùn láti ọwọ́ òǹkọ̀wé Ayankola Ayanwuyi. Thanks for wonderful cover design you made for this book. Irene. Thank you very much. I'll be dropping my review on this book. Make sure you get yours too. Thank you.